everyone, welcome to my new video. Firstly, thanks to everyone who are watching this video, and thanks to all my Patreon for supporting me. I really appreciate for everything. So this week personal video on my Patreon is about I took my son to his 9-month-old doctor visit. He was nervous for the whole time. He does not like hospital. Yes, sir? Thanks to everyone who shopped at my closet. I'm sorry about it. I have to stop selling my stuff soon. I will still keep my shop open for 2 more weeks. I will not delete my shop. I will just put the item not for sale. So my shop will be still available for 2 more weeks, and by the end of this month, the items will not be for sale. I need to take a break for selling clothes because right now my son needs more and more attention and energy, and it seems like he does not like to look at me packing anymore. I'm extremely busy and I'm very exhausted. There was a spider. He almost crawled on my sock. So I don't really get enough sleep through the night because my son usually wakes up several times at night. I get like 5 hours sleeping total. It's better than before. When my son was younger, I only got like 3 to 4 hours total a day. When he was younger, I teach him how to crawl, so I crawl a lot during the day. So I need to give up one thing to make time and to save energy for my son. I know to make money is very important, but most importantly is to spend as much time as I can with my son. So he will only be with me 24 hours a day for a couple of years. So when he goes to kindergarten or preschool, he will not be with me all the time. So time is very precious. I need to use it wisely. So right now I have 2 channels on Patreon and Poshmark. So I decided to quit Poshmark. Okay, I'm back. I just put my son to bed. He has been too tired. This morning we went to doctor visit and he was too nervous and he didn't get a nap. This nap probably will be long. He's too tired. So I decided to give up selling clothes. Seems like he does not enjoy to look at me packing, but he enjoys when I make videos, when I talk in the videos. My son enjoys me talking, so I decided not giving up making videos. Instead of I will give up selling clothes. So I will still keep my shop open for 2 more weeks, and by the end of this month all the items were not for sale. So please check out my closet on Poshmark. Maybe you could find something you like, and please remember you could also offer a price. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys next video soon. Since my son taking a nap, I have time to edit this video.